Hello viewers, a lot of users have actually bought Poco X6 5G, but they are not happy with the camera performance of this smartphone. So I have installed the GCam, and in this video I will compare the photos taken from the stock camera and the GCam. Actually I have set up the two camera app on the screen. As you can see here, this is the GCam settings, and there are all the modes: wide angle, 2x, 4.3x. Though all the modes don't work on this GCam, so we will talk about it later. Now this is the stock camera. As you can see here, it has the wide angle, then 1x main camera, 2x digital zoom and 4x digital zoom. So I will test the main camera with the GCam here, and in the app you can see there are pro, documents, video, photo, portrait mode, night mode, and in the mode there are various features like 64 MP, panorama, etc. I am taking this picture from the GCam. As you can see here, human photo, and now I will show the output from this GCam. As you can see here, the color seems to be little bit contrasty, but it gives a very good look. And now as you can see here, this is also from the GCam. In this photo also the white balance is maintained by this GCam. Now this is from the stock camera, and you can see that there is white balance, and you can see that the part behind the face is little bit weird and little bit blackish. Actually the stock camera captures more white balance, as you can see in this picture, and this is from the GCam. In the GCam there are little bit contrast you can see, but overall the GCam photos look better. In another scenario I will take a photo from the GCam main sensor. As you can see that the output is very good and it produces saturated color. The red is little bit on the higher side, but overall it gives a very good look. So I will take a photo from the stock camera and show you the difference between these two photos. So this is taken from the main camera. As you can see here, actually the color is little bit muted and the white balance is on the higher side, as you can see here. Now I will take another photo and show you the sample. So you can see that the red is little bit muted and the color has actually shifted from its original color. So if you want a very good balance of color, in that case you should definitely use the GCam. However, in daytime there are not much difference in photos. In GCam actually the photos are taken in live mode, and you cannot turn off the live mode. If you want to turn off the live mode, the app will crash. So you can take also 2x photo from the main sensor, and let me show you the quality. As you can see here, the quality is very good from the stock camera. Now I will click a photo in 2x in GCam. In GCam the scene is same. As you can see here, it takes a little bit saturated color, but ultimately you get a very good picture from GCam also. Now I will use the GCam in outdoor condition and take 3 samples shot from this camera and also from the main sensor. So this is shot number 1 that I have taken. Then I will take another shot of a plant like this, and then I will take another shot from this little sample or saplings, as you can see here. Now what I will do, I will take the same 3 photos from the main sensor and give you the side by side comparison, so that you can understand by yourself how the GCam performs in comparison to the main camera. So this is shot number 1, and then I will take the same second shot like this, and now I will take the third shot like this. Now you will see the output of the camera. Now you can see the footages side by side. In the first image, GCam produces more color and more vibrant picture. On the other hand, the stock camera produces a little bit faded and whitish background photo. So I think the left one is better. In the second sample shot, you can see that the left one or the G camera produces very good color. On the other hand, the stock camera produces little bit faded or whitish color. So overall, all I can say that the stock camera is inferior in comparison to G camera. In the third sample shot also, the GCam photo looks very good. It produces a very good dynamic range. On the other hand, the stock camera of Poco X6 produces a washed out photo. So if you want the better result, you should definitely use GCam. In this shot also, you can see that the photo taken by GCam is much better than the stock camera. However, these two shots are almost identical. However, I like the GCam image more. So I think Poco X6 has better cameras if you use GCam, and the default camera is not so optimized properly. So as a result of which you are not getting very good results from the stock camera. So if you want the best results from your Poco X6 smartphone, in that case you must install GCam on your smartphone to get the best results out of your camera. Then I tested the videography of Poco X6 main camera and took some sample video to give you an idea about the performance of the camera. If you don't move the camera, you will get stable footages, but if you want to walk and then shoot, in that case the footages may not be as stable as it should have been. So in this video you can see that I am taking a 1080p 30 fps video. However, from this camera you can shoot up to 4K 30 fps. There is no 4K 60 fps option in this camera, though the processor is capable of doing so. So this is the video samples output. As you can see here, the quality seems to be okay from this Poco X6 default camera. So if you want casual videography from this smartphone, you can do that, but you cannot expect high-end videography from Poco X6 camera. So in the conclusion, Poco X6 is an excellent smartphone. It has the best display, very good battery backup, very good processor and mediocre camera, but you can adjust the camera by installing GCam. So hope this video has become informative to you. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button, share this video and subscribe the channel for more such interesting videos. Thank you very much.